In this video, we shall practice some of the words which give the similar sound, almost have the same sort of pronunciation, but they are different in meaning and spellings. In this category, the first word is altar, A-L-T-A-R. Altar means a place of worship. The Brahmin made an altar to worship Lord Shiva. A-L-T-E-R, altar. Altar means to change. Example, I have altered my decision to join the profession of a doctors. The next pair of the words is amend, A-M-E-N-D. Amend means to make a change for the betterment. Example, the Indian government presented a bill in the parliament to amend the constitution articles. The next word in the pair is amend, E-M-E-N-D. Amend means to make a change for the betterment in a literary piece. For example, the editor asked the author to change or to amend in the poetry section. Next word is accident. Accident is an unwanted event or occurring. Example, the accidents can be avoided by following the road safety rules. The pair of the word is a incident. Incident means any of a event or occurring. Example, the interviewer asked the interviewee about his most important incident of his life. Next word is antic, A-N-T-I-C. Antic means a jocular, funny or a ridiculous person. Hi, example, hi Lucy, you are looking like an antique girl. A-N-T-I-Q-U-E, antique means old and precious. Example, my father have a keen interest in antique goods. Next word is aural, A-U-R-A-L. Aural is related to the ear or of the ear. Example, the kitten is crying. It seems it has an aural ailment. The pair of the word is oral, O-R-A-L. Oral is related to the mouth or of the mouth. Example, the teacher asked the students to get ready for the oral test. Next word is amiable. Amiable is a person who is of mixing disposition. Example, Sita is an amiable girl. She can adjust herself at any place. And the pair of the word is amicable. Amicable means friendly. Example, India is still not ready even to play an amicable match with Pakistan. Next word is antagonist. Antagonist, and the pair of the word is protagonist. Antagonist is a person who is of a which refers to an enemy or person who is playing the role of the villain in a drama or a literary piece or in a film. Example, to write a good sort of epic, the antagonist must be of a higher rank, and the protagonist means the person who is playing the leading role or the main role. Example, Amitabh Bachchan is fit for the protagonist role in this movie. Next word is astrology. Astrology is the study of the stars for predicting about the forthcoming events. Example, I have some belief in astrology, and the pair of the word is astronomy. Astronomy is the study of the universe that lying beyond the physical reach or atmosphere of the earth. Example, astronomy provides very good and bright career to the intelligent students. Next word is aviary. Aviary is the place where birds are kept, or you may call it bird's home. Example, the Prime Minister on 15th of August released many birds from the aviary, and the pair of the word is apiary, A-P-I-A-R-Y. Apiary is the word that refers to the place where bees and hives are kept. Example, a melodious smell was flowing towards us from the apiary. Next word is birth, B-I-R-T-H. Birth means the process of child rearing. Example, the lioness gave birth to an agile cub. The pair of the word is birth, B-E-R-T-H, birth. Birth means a sleeping seat in the train. Let us take the example. I reserved in advance 5 berths for my family in the Shatabdi Express. The next word is a blonde, B-L-O-N-D-E, and the pair of the word is B-L-O-N-D. In the later word, E alphabet is not there, and the meaning of the both words is a same, brown, pale color. B-L-O-N-D-E, this word is used for the girls for their color or the color of hair, and the second word without E is used for the boys. Next word is seize, C-E-A-S-E. Seize means to stop or to block. Example, the police seized this road today because the Prime Minister is traveling or is visiting by this road today. And the pair of the word is seize, S-E-I-Z-E. Seize means to capture or to grab. Example, the narcotic department of the police seized a very much high quantity or heavy quantity of drugs. The next pair of the words is canvas, C-A-N-V-A-S, canvas. Canvas means a coarse cloth or a rough cloth. Example, the painter painted the idol of Lord Shiva on the canvas. And the pair of the word is C-A-N-V-A-S-S. Canvas means the process of seeking or begging votes. Example, all the leaders of the political parties were wandering through the streets for canvassing. The next word is census, C-E-N-S-U-S. Census means official counting of the population. And the pair of the word is consensus. Consensus means to make an agreement or to make the opinion of the people same about any decision. Let us take the example of the both. The first census of India was held in 1881. Now consensus, the government succeeded to make a consensus on the new bill presented in the parliament. And the last word is a calendar, C-A-L-A-N-D-E-R, and the pair of the word is also calendar, but there is the difference in the spelling, C-A-L-E-N-D-A-R. The first word C-A-L-E-N-D-E-R, it means a machine or a scent. Example, the invention of the calendar witnessed very high growth rate in the weaving of the cloth. And the second word is calendar, it means the process of dividing the time into days, weeks and months. And example, the teachers of the school were preparing the academic calendar of the school. So we discussed 15 pair of words. I do hope you have liked it, and if you liked this video, please don't forget to press the like button.